Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by choosing the low-friction path, guest mode now, or developer mode for offline ownership. First, confirm your Chromebook isn't enterprise or school-enrolled because those blocks prevent developer mode. Once confirmed, back up any files because enabling developer mode triggers a power wash. To start immediately, sign in to guest to use the browser and local storage temporarily. If you want persistent accounts without Google, move on to developer mode next. It lets you install a Linux system or use a local user shell. Now you enable developer mode to remove Google account dependency and gain full control. Start recovery screen with ESC plus refresh plus power, then press Ctrl plus D and confirm to toggle developer mode. This wipes local data and sets an OS verification OFF state. Once the system reboots into dev mode, use the built-in shell to download an installer like Crouton or Flash, a Linux image, to replace Chrome OS. You do this because Linux provides local users traditional package management. Finish by creating a secure local user on your new Linux install drivers for touchpad, Wi-Fi, and display. Once done, configure auto login only if you trust the device, otherwise require a password. Install apps from repos or Flatpak so you avoid Google Play entirely. Make sure to test peripherals and file sync options you prefer, like Nextcloud. If anything goes wrong, use a Chromebook recovery USB to restore stock Chrome OS. That recovery step gets you back to a known state quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.